Ever heard of a CD ladder? No, not the kind you listen to. We're talking about certificate of deposit accounts and a strategy that could totally change how you save. If you've been sitting on a chunk of money, wondering how to earn a competitive, fixed interest rate without locking it all away for years, then this video is for you. Bread Savings is a major online player offering some seriously competitive CD rates and a great range of terms, everything from a short 3 months all the way up to 5 years. This flexibility makes them an ideal choice for building a CD ladder, and it's surprisingly easy to set up multiple accounts with them. So, why would you want multiple CDs? The answer is simple: flexibility and optimizing your returns. A CD ladder involves splitting your total savings into several different CDs with staggered maturity dates. For example, instead of putting $10,000 into a single 5-year CD, you could open 5 separate CDs, one for 1 year, one for 2 years, one for 3 years, and so on. Here's the power move: the shorter-term CDs give you access to a portion of your cash sooner. But you still get to benefit from the typically higher rates offered on the longer-term CDs. As each short-term CD matures, you can then decide whether to withdraw the money or reinvest it into a new, long-term CD, effectively keeping your ladder growing and your money accessible. Now, let's talk about the how with Bread Savings. The process is straightforward because Bread Savings allows you to open as many CD accounts as you need, each with its own term and maturity date. Step 1 is simply to navigate to the Bread Savings website and click to open a certificate of deposit. Step 2 is choosing your first CD's term. Remember, you're building a ladder, so pick your shortest term first, say, their 6-month option. You'll deposit the required minimum of $1,500, or whatever portion of your total savings you want dedicated to this rung of the ladder. Step 3 is a repeat. Once that first account is funded, go right back and open a second CD. This time, select your next term, maybe the 1-year option, and fund it with the same amount. Step 4 is repeating this process until you've opened all the CDs you need to build your full ladder, for example, a 6-month, 1-year, 2-year, 3-year, and 4-year CD. That's it. You've successfully opened multiple CDs and built your very own CD ladder with Bread Savings. You now have a system where a portion of your savings is maturing regularly, giving you an opportunity to reevaluate rates without missing out on the fixed, higher yields of the longer terms. This strategy is one of the smartest ways to use certificates of deposit to your advantage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.